Oh my gosh, you guys, it's here. It's here. You know how you wait for packages and you get so excited when you get a notification that the Amazon truck came, and half the time you don't even know what's in the package because you can't remember what you ordered because you ordered so many things? You guys, this is more than that. This is the book. You guys, the book that I wrote. You guys, I wrote a book. And it's here. And it's the first time I'm seeing it. It's the very first copy. I can't even take it. I think I'm going to get a little bit emotional. You guys, can you stand it? It's my book. I can't, you guys. Wow.